and welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I'm Claire from The Wanderlust Way. If you are returning or are a subscriber, hello, welcome back. You are now my best friend. Yes! So today we are here at the Majestic Hotel in Harrogate. Harrogate's a spa town in North Yorkshire. The Majestic's one of the most iconic buildings in Harrogate. It was built in the Victorian times and opened in 1900s. And at the time, it was like nothing anybody had ever seen. It was an incredible hotel. They had a glass dome on the roof and all that. And people would come from all over. So you'd get celebrities coming here, politicians, royalty. It was really like the place to be seen. Unfortunately, there was a terrible fire in the 20s that destroyed a massive part of the building, including some of those original architectural pieces. And it took a long time for them, I think, to recover, especially we had the war and all that sort of stuff. Then in 2010, there was another fire that destroyed 20% of the building and caused devastation. And unfortunately, a member of staff lost their life in that fire. So it's had a bit of an unlucky history, the Majestic. However, that being said, it's recently undergone I think £15 million refurb. So they spent quite a lot of money trying to get it back to its original glory. And it is still quite an impressive hotel. I think there's still some work going on here at the moment. You can see on the outside of the buildings, there's a lot of structural things happening, but you can't deny it is a central point of Harrogate, and it is really, really impressive. So that being said, we are here on a girly weekend away. We have booked it through, what do we book it through, Mum?
Spa Seekers.
Spa Seekers. I'll put the price of how much it cost us somewhere around here. So you can we got a good deal. And with our deal, we got dinner, bed, breakfast. We got to go into the spa for 4 hours. And we also got a treatment. So I'm going to go through this. Oh, we got 2 treatments according to Mother. 2 25-minute treatments, didn't we? So this video is going to cover the hotel itself. It will cover the dinner, because we had a 3-course meal last night. It'll cover the breakfast that we had this morning. It'll cover the full room tour, and it will cover the spa. Okay, so starting off with the spa. In my opinion, it's probably one of the smaller spas that I've been to at a hotel. I wouldn't class this as a spa hotel. I think it's a hotel with the added bonus of having some spa facilities. So if you are an avid spa goer and you go into Champneys and all that sort of stuff, Rudding Park, which is just around the corner, it isn't quite the same as that. However, it was quite nice. And the treatment, I would say, was one of the best that I've ever had. The girl did a cracking job, and they use all the Spa products, so it was quite good. But going back to the spa, so it's just one pool in the middle, which is not, it's not like a thermal pool or anything like that. It's just a standard pool in the middle, and then round the edge of the pool you've got a sauna and a steam room. There was another one, but it wasn't open, and then there was a small hot tub in the corner, which again wasn't very hot. So it was okay, but what made it for us, I think, was the fact that the treatments were really, really good, and they all happened downstairs. So yeah, that's the spa. The dinner last night, we weren't sure what to expect because we were on the dinner bed and breakfast room rate. But there was an extensive menu, and the waiter was fabulous. He took his time explaining what we could have, what we, if we wanted to pay upgrades, we could have a little bit extra. But we just stuck to the standard plan, and the food was really, really good. Recommend that. We had 3 courses. Wine was about average price for what you'd expect in a hotel. I think it was about £8 for a large glass, something like that. And at breakfast this morning, breakfast is a buffet breakfast, and it is served in the main dining room. Extensive again. You've got a hot selection, cold selection. I had full English, Mum had a bit of fruit, I think she had a cooking full English, and then she had muffins. Not judging. And then so that was really nice. One tip I would say for breakfast is we got down there for about 9:15, and that was a spot on time. I mean, it's bank holiday Monday here, so I expected it to be busy. However, when we came out at 9:30, there was a queue, quite an extensive queue. I think there was probably 30 people, like 15 couples, so say 30 people in this queue. So if you are not a queuer, then maybe head down there a little bit earlier, before 9 o'clock, and you should be okay. So that was the breakfast. Yesterday when we first arrived, we did have some charcuterie, is that how you say it? Yeah. Charcuterie in the bar, which was lovely. £20 for the charcuterie board, and then we had a glass of wine. Mum had a non-alcoholic mojito. That was very nice. And then we headed over to the spa. The room.
See it on the TV, hoping it will be me. Lips are looking on flick, plump and pricky. Comes with pressure today, needs to look a certain way. Boy, she's looking.
Okay, so just checked in and we are on the first floor. We asked for a twin, but we have been given a double. So the housekeeping said they're going to come back up and they're going to change that into a twin. So wait and see. As if by magic, the lady has come and she has changed our beds into twins. So my mother's happy now, she don't have to sleep with me. There we go. We've got 2 little beds, 22. So starting off, we've got a wardrobe here. Let's have a look what's in here. Oh right, okay. So we've got, I presume that's a cooler for when you're summer. We've got an ironing board, hairdryer, fan, and then we've got some coat hangers. I've got a mirror there, not a full length one, but you get up to your top half. What's down here? Okay, so here, oh, we've got tea and coffee. All the other bits of Twinings, green tea. Have they got hot chocolate? Doesn't, and everyday Twinings. Biscuit, these are my favourites. We've got a safe, and that's useful, and then another shelf there. Okay, so let's go round here, and we've got a study desk, and we've got a little radio. No smoking, please. And then here's all the spa treatments. Now we booked on a spa package, so we've not paid this price. We've obviously paid the package price. And then you've got another mirror there. Radiator, chair. You can, by the looks of it, you can have dining in your room. We've got a telly and some drawers here. Oh. And then going over to the bed. A couple of lights either side of the bed. So, out the window. Let's have a look at our view. Okay, so it's all right. We can see some trees.
Oh, look at the weather.
So let's head into the bathroom, shall we? Okay, so we have a bath. That's handy for some people. And a shower. That's the shower. Okay, glass thing there. Here we've got some toiletries included, so you might not need to bring anything with you. We've got shampoo, conditioner and shower gel. So that's handy. And then tissues, toilet. Oh, again, hand wash included. Body lotion. And shaving mirrors and glasses and things. And then again, that's a decent mirror. A nice lighting in here actually. Oh, I've got these shutters. Have a look. Ooh. Oh, the window's open in here. Okay. I'll not mess with that. And, as I always test, yes, gets top marks for that. Hook on the back of the door. My main criticism for the bedroom is that there isn't a fridge, which I think sometimes it's important. I mean, like AD has medication, so we always like to have to keep that in the fridge. So when we come away, it's nice to have a fridge. And we did bring some drinks and chocolates and stuff with us, so that would have been nice to put those in the fridge. So not a massive criticism at the hotel. However, if you are coming to stay and you do like to keep things cool, then I'll just bring a coolie box with you with some ice in and what have you, and that should see you through the night. So that's just a bit of a tip from me. And yeah, if the hotel wanted some tips, I would suggest maybe putting a mini bar in the room. Not a mini bar, a fridge in the room. Mini bar would be great as well, yeah. So the room was clean, it was comfortable, the bed was comfy. I slept really well. Did you, Mum?
Yes, we slept very well.
Mum slept very well. Bathroom was compact, but it was adequate.
How
And
dangerous was that step?
oh, there was a step. There's a step down here. I don't know if you can. You probably can't see it. It's quite high. It's probably about a foot step to get into the bathroom. There is a sign on the wall saying beware of steps, so you know you should be all right. But I think we were a bit worried that in the middle of the night we might go flying. But yeah, just if you have got mobility problems, say you had like a hip issue or something, you might struggle to get up that step. So if you are booking, then maybe perhaps ring reception and speak to them to make sure you get a room without a step, because I know like we've got friends and my mum that have got hip issues and they'd really struggle to get up that and down that comfortably. So Harrogate itself is a beautiful spa town. It is one of the happiest places to live in England. Well worth a visit if you haven't been before. I will be doing a full Harrogate video later on this year at some point. I was going to do it today, but the weather is atrocious, so I'm not going to be able to do that. But if you are interested in Harrogate, Yorkshire attractions, UK city breaks, things like that, then please subscribe to the channel and you'll get to see lots more videos like this one. And yeah, that's it. If you've been to Harrogate, have you stayed at the Majestic and you want to give any feedback or comments, drop them below. If you've got any questions that you might think I might be able to help answer, again, drop them below in the comments, or drop me a direct message on socials and I will get back to you. Hope you have a great time if you come into the Majestic, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you, see you all later, bye!